Alright, enough of this. Alright, guys. We're gonna start in hide and seek. We're gonna get the lion. Here we go. Let's do this. Alright, I'll upload that video. Check. Now let's see what's happening. I remember this like in Ultimate Roblox competition though. Back in the days. Like a few months ago. What is that guess doing? Virtual viewfinder. No guys, like I really want to try those out someday. I actually tried it in other places, but you don't get to have them though. Like you know that South Park thing. You use the video viewfinder and then use South Park thing. Man, I kind of see like those people, but they don't say hi to you. Just wave, and that's it. Guess the way to get. Oh, okay. You said collect all 3 stamps. Let's find out. Spectating mode though. New game will start soon. Gotta wait, guys. Oh no, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh no. Okay, still chasing him. Ah, could have got him. Oh, he left. Holy shoot. Alright, guys. I guess we have to look for it then. Let's do this. Select map? No. R means Robux. But, guys, seriously, I don't want to spend Robux, man. Seriously. Don't spend anything. I wonder what this look like if you wear these, though. Anyways, game will start. Starting now. Guess we have to find it, though. Don't pick me, don't pick me. I don't feel like doing this. No. 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 Phew. Yes! I think she's just... Alright guys, the bacon girl is gonna do it. Alright, no offense. Alright, I guess we have to find it. So how you look for it though? Alright, where to look around, huh? Where? I may have a hard time because I don't like this though. I don't know, it's just my first time, guys. Might be a little bit rough to find it, but I'm gonna try. Where do we find it? Where? Oh wait, do you find it from winning the game? Alright, let's just do this, guys. What about smiley face? Well, I shall hide. Damn. What now? What now? Alright, we're gonna find a place to hide, guys. Where? Alright, I think okay, this is a chance. Come on. Alright, just hold on, guys. Oh, is that the one? I'll just look around, guys. There's one. Wait, no. Sorry, guys. I think I was just... I think that one. Alright, let's go on top here. Alright, let's get that one, guys. Come on. There you go. Oh. I know the... Alright, guess so. Oh, find 3. Ah, darn. Oh, crap. Okay, I found 1. Check. Wait, what? Hey guys, I think... Alright, peace out, bye.